A medical device manufacturer aimed to improve the safety, repeatability, and cleanliness of their soldering process by replacing open flame torches with induction heating. UltraFlex proposed a compact 2 kilowatts SMT2 system paired with a 3-turn butterfly coil and a Footswitch. The process involved soldering 6 to 8 millimeters copper tubes to solid wire using alloy 99C solder. Various configurations were tested, including manual alloy feeding and preformed solder rings. Heating cycles lasted just approximately 15 seconds, consistently staying under the 400 degrees Celsius threshold with no visible discoloration. The tests revealed the critical impact of joint fit and solder volume. In underfilled cases or clogs, the operator successfully reheated the part upside down to flush excess solder, highlighting the precision and flexibility of induction over flame-based methods. The open coil allowed easy handling, but future optimization with closed coils could improve efficiency. Overall, the system proved effective, reliable, and scalable, making it an ideal fit for medical production environments requiring clean and consistent soldering performance. For more details, use the reference number AR3464, 8839. Thank you for watching. Don't miss our next case studies and subscribe to our YouTube channel.